Hey everyone! If you've been stuck at the FragPunk login screen with that frustrating error 2025, don't worry. Today we're going to fix it step by step. Whether it's your first time seeing this issue or it keeps popping up, these simple solutions can get you back into the game quickly. First things first, check your internet connection. I know it sounds basic, but sometimes the problem is just a slow or unstable network. Turn off your Wi-Fi router for about 15 seconds, then power it back on. If things still feel slow, give it a longer break, around 5 minutes, and reconnect. Make sure other apps or websites are loading fine because FragPunk needs a steady connection to log in properly. Next, let's make sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking the game. Type allow an app through Windows Firewall in your search bar, open it, and hit Change Settings. Scroll down to find FragPunk and check both private and public boxes. If it's not listed, click Allow another app and add it manually. Sometimes the game doesn't get proper permissions on the first launch, and this fixes it. If you're still stuck, check the server status. Visit FragPunk's official website or Twitter to see if there's maintenance or downtime. If servers are down, there's nothing you can do except wait. Another quick fix is verifying your game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click FragPunk, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will replace anything missing or corrupted. Lastly, make sure both the game and your launcher are up to date. Outdated versions often cause login problems, so double check before trying anything else. Try these steps one by one, and you should be back in the game in no time. Drop a comment if one of these tips worked for you. And don't forget to share this video with someone struggling with the same issue.